Hi everyone, it's Nene. 皆さんこんにちは、Nene です。Welcome and welcome back everyone. So this is the very first episode of Cooking with Nene, and today I'm gonna be introducing to you guys chicken cutlet and teriyaki. First of all, you wanna rinse your chicken and then remove excess water with paper towel.So now you want to season your meat with salt and pepper. This is from Japan. I think you can get something similar from TNT or any Asian supermarket, but you can always use salt and pepper that you have at home.This is how the surface of the chicken looks. And for the chicken cutlet, I'm gonna be using flour, an egg, and also panko, breadcrumbs. And you just need to beat the egg to make egg wash.And I'm gonna use my right hand for the wet ingredients and left hand for dry ingredients. First of all, you want to coat your meat in flour, and please make sure that you have coated all the surface of the chicken. And after that, shake off the excess flour on the meat. And then dunk your meat into the egg wash. Get it wet.Last but not least, you want to coat your chicken in panko. So I personally like to press chicken super gently when I'm adding panko because I believe that it's just helping everything to stick together. So this one is for teriyaki chicken.I am only using flour on this one because I suppose it's gonna help thicken the sauce and also helps keeping the moist of the chicken. So for my chicken teriyaki, I'm gonna be using a little bit of oil to pan fry those chicken thighs.While I'm cooking chicken teriyaki, I'm gonna be deep frying chicken cutlet. But how can I tell if the oil is ready? Okay, no worries. You can use bamboo skewers or chopsticks to see if there's bubbles. And if you see that, that means it's hot enough. Ready to go. Or you can just drop your panko in the oil.I added extra oil on the teriyaki chicken, and now it's just going crazy. And I think these guys they can be flipped. Are you guys ready for teriyaki sauce? So I'm adding soy sauce, mirin, cooking sake, and some sugar. They look amazing to me. So I'm gonna remove this from the pan so it's gonna stop cooking. But look at this. Oh, pure happiness. So stop before it smells like burning. Voila! This is my chicken cutlet and chicken teriyaki. So for the chicken cutlet, I'd like to put some salt, like seasoned salt. This is hibiscus flower salt. And this is shikwasa, Michigan Island flavor salt. And I like to use my soy sauce and also like wasabi or yuzu kosho. This is like a pepper. Or I also like to use bulldog vegetable fruit sauce and also mayonnaise for this deep fried chicken. And for teriyaki, you can just eat it by itself, and with rice it's gonna be amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so you will never miss another episode of Cooking with Nene. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.